Okay. Same questions. What is not self?
再問一個問題，乜嘢係無我呢？
Okay. That means everything is not self, including this body up to our consciousness.
所有一切從我哋嘅身體去到我哋嘅意識，都係一樣。
Yes, this is what Kempa Rinpoche's verses, right? This all the five skandhas.
呢個係呢個竹青仁波切嘅一個對五蘊嘅一個佢寫到一啲嘅教導同埋啲偈頌。
Are you familiar with five skandhas?
大家對呢個五蘊係咪熟悉呢？
Yes. Are you good friend with your five skandhas?
你係咪你個五蘊嘅好朋友啊？
Five skandha. Then okay, again look at five skandhas, right? First is like a physical body, form.
第一樣係色，
That's very surface. Then feeling.
第二個係受，
Then perception.
第三個係想
Then discrimination.
行，
Then consciousness.
識係言字邊嗰個識。
This is what we are. We call human being, right? We call human being. Human beings is combination of this five skandha.
而所稱為嘅人就係由呢五嚿嘢組成㗎啦。
Or actually, there are two, mind and body.
又或者可以將佢睇成為心同埋身。
Then the mind, feeling go under the mind. Conception is under the mind. Discrimination is also mind. And consciousness.
咁換句話講呢，嗰個心同埋身呢，身就係嗰個識嗰個蘊啦，識蘊啦，而受想行識就屬於呢個心嘅。
Louisa asked me to extend a little bit about consciousness. Okay, is that okay?
Louisa 想喇嘛講多啲呢個最後嗰個蘊啦，嗰個識蘊啊，言字邊心識嗰個識。
Here again, consciousness also not a self. Then same thing you can apply. Consciousness is not single unit. It's not a permanent. It is not independent. And not special. Therefore, it is not self.
同樣地，我哋對呢個識蘊都可以作出頭先小息之前嗰個四個嘅定義，就係佢唔係單獨存在，佢唔係恆常，佢唔會係獨立而不依賴他物嘅，亦都佢唔係特別，所以佢唔符合有我，所以係屬於無我。
Okay. How many of you took Lori class with me, with Kempo Tenji and Meirong? Right? And Meirong, Kempo Tenji taught here, right? Lori.
嗰個心理學嚇，有邊個同學係曾經上過喇嘛滇巴或者妙容師 Kempo Tenji 嘅心理學嘅課程？請舉舉手啊！心理學。
How many? Oh, not so many. Not so many.
唔係好多啫喎。
Yes, there's Loric science of mind.
就係講心嘅科
Science
學。
of mind. It's a very helpful class. Maybe future, maybe Ane Meirong, Kempo Tenji, or Lama Yadi, or myself. Is yes, to study that topic is very helpful.
係個非常之有幫助我哋了解心嘅一個教門嚟㗎嚇，心理學。
Okay, mind. So I will speak a little bit about this mind things. Okay.
我會喇嘛會講多少少關於心或者識蘊。
Yes. I met and had a conversation with Dr. Richard Davidson in Boulder, and he told me, do you know Dr. Richard Davidson? Yes, we have a very strong connection. He is pioneers, professors, University of Wisconsin, right, medicine. And he is a genius as a neuroscience, and interested in cognitive mind and meditation. And he did a lot of wonderful research. And he worked very closely with Mingyur Rinpoche and Dalai Lama, also Khenpo Kunka too.
拉瑪會為我哋再講多少少關於個色蘊，即係嗰個心最後嗰個第五蘊啦。咁首先咧，佢講開咧就係佢曾經有一個好好嘅一個對話啦，同 Professor Richard Davidson 係呢個威斯康辛大學嘅一個腦神經嘅一個專家，大家都聽過佢個名㗎啦，係咪啊？佢係同好多有經驗嘅禪修者做咗好多嘅研究，例如用一個叫做fMRI 嚟睇下佢哋禪修同埋佢哋個意識嗰個關係咁樣，包括明就仁波切啊、Khenpo Kunka 同埋達賴喇嘛都屬於佢嘅研究嘅對象嚟㗎。
He said before 15 and 20 years ago, like a book about a mind, or meditation, or mindfulness, you have to hide in America. If some people know that you want to learn about a mind, mindfulness and meditation, people think you're crazy. So they say you have to hide. Even like, immigration office checkpoint, you have to hide. 15 or 20 years ago.
教授話咧，美國咧20年前咧，如果你係對呢個正見啊，對呢個禪修有興趣嘅，任何嘅書籍或者你自己嘅興趣咧，你都要即係收埋佢，唔好俾人哋知嘅。
People are not open. They're not ready to know about these things.
當時咧係美國對得閒喺嗰邊咧，就唔會對呢樣嘢有興趣，同埋唔想知道，冇打開個心嘅。
20 years. These days in America, right? Then you want to show, yes, I read about the mind and mindfulness and meditation. Like first line of your library, put this book. Even there's a president's office in a White House.
而家就唔同啦，今時今日咧，圖書館裏面絕對好容易會揾到有關呢一個禪修啊、正念啊或者一類嘅書籍啦，包括咧喺總統嘅圖書館裏邊咧，都會見到有關呢一類嘅書籍。
Yes. Even these days, philosophers and scientists, they use, right, mind. It's a very important topic, mind.
科學家都對我哋嘅心咧係開始非常之有興趣啦。
Changing. Right? So these days, almost everybody talks about the mind. Psychologists, even doctors, scientists, even politicians. I don't know, business people. Right? Everybody talks about the mind.
各行各業商界唔係好清楚啦，不過各行各業醫生啊所有嘅科學家都對呢一樣嘢非常之即係有興趣嘅，即係心嘅修習禪修。
Not only they talk about it, and they are interested to learn and to experience about the mind.
唔單止佢哋覺得呢樣嘢好重要，佢仲想嘗試去體驗心同埋去學習有關呢啲嘅練習。
Especially now in young generations.
尤其是比較年輕嘅一代啊。
Yes, the young generation is different, changing, right? Their interest is different. The lifestyle is different. The young generation.
一路有所轉變，而家今時今日嘅年輕嘅一代咧，佢對呢個非常之有興趣嘅。
Now almost there's like a young generation, like my niece and my nephew, that automatically by nature they don't like to eat meat. They become vegetarian, and they're interested about spirituality and also mind.
譬如啦，咪自己佢嘅外甥啊、侄仔啊、侄女啊，咁呢啲比較年輕嘅一代咧，都係對呢個心啊、對呢個靈性嘅修持好有興趣。仲有啲咧係自動咁樣轉去咧係持素嘅。
In this way, we're getting better.
喺呢一方面咧，希望慢慢咧會一路會有轉變，好嘅轉變㗎。
But the question is, if you ask how you defined the mind, what is the definition of mind? Then people, then they will think, okay.
但係如果要你話好啦，咁講咁多研究心㗎啦，咁對於個心，你點樣去定義何謂心咧？
Then in the Buddhist classic study, you start with the definition all the way, right? Definition.
喺呢個佛法裏邊咧，好多時候都會着重呢個定義係咩嚟嘅，定義某一樣嘢係咩嚟。
That's it. Of course, most of you already know the definition of mind. The definition of mind is that which is clear and aware. 清醒不白。That which is clear and aware. That's the definition of mind.
喺嘅佛法裏邊咧，我哋對心嘅定義就係明而覺。
The basic, the definition, right? That which is clear and aware.
係明而覺。
And then also this clarity aspect. There's a little bit not very clear.
咁到明嗰部分係 clear 嗰部分，咁其實係咪有啲嘢其實都唔係太明、太清楚咧？
Then they describe like when they say clarity aspect, clear, that which is clear, right? That aspect, we're not talking about like bright, like seeing like bright.
所以明咧意思唔係指話好光亮嗰啲叫做明。
Clarity aspect, you got like 3 elements there.
有3個部分。
3 or 4, let's see, 3 elements there. First, it is non-material, not material.
第一，佢係非物質性嘅。
Right, mind, that means clear, non-material. Right, you cannot take a picture or you cannot capture.
你唔可以幫佢影張相，你唔可以捉到佢，冇一個實體嘅。
Then second aspect is called infinite. Infinite, yes.
係無限嘅。
Mind is always infinite. Then third aspect, clarity. Third one is pure by nature. Mind is always pure.
第3係本性就係清淨。
Maybe it appears as very cloudy, very dirty, very mercury, polluted, but by nature, mind is always pure.
可能我哋睇到嘅係一啲混濁嘅、唔清楚嘅，但係呢個唔等於佢嘅本性，佢嘅本性就係清純。
Yes, one of my teacher, Dzogchen Ponlo Rinpoche described, mind is pure by nature, it's like a water.
例如喺仁波切嘅解釋裏邊就話，就好似心就好似水一樣。
Yes, mind is always pure. Like water is always pure.
水一定係清純嘅本身。
Okay, therefore it has no form. Form, right? Mind has no form.
佢係冇一個特定嘅形態嘅。
You see, that's called clear. Clarity.
用呢3樣嘢嚟到了解乜嘢係明。
Thing. Okay, mind's non-material, infinite, pure by nature.
係冇一個實質嘅固體嘅物質嘅。第2無限，第3係本身係清淨嘅。
So mind has no form like a water.
冇呢個形態，例如好似水一樣，冇特定嘅本身嘅形態嘅。
Also, mind has no nationality, identity.
冇身份國籍嘅。
Therefore, American mind is not American.
所以我哋唔可以話美國嘅心嚇。 同美國冇
Chinese
關
mind
係。
is not Chinese.
中國嘅心唔係中國，
Dog's mind is not a dog.
狗嘅心唔係隻狗，
Female's mind is not a female, masculine or female.
女性嘅心唔係等於女性，
Same thing. Masculine's mind is not a masculine.
男性嘅心唔係等於男性，
This is what they call mind has no form.
所以講心係冇固定嘅形態嘅。
Then there's a Western mind. There's no Eastern mind.
我哋唔可以講有一個西方嘅心，有一個東方嘅心。
Yes, so that's mind. If you look at that mind, this is what they call we all one taste. Equality.
所以換句話講係平等嘅，係一味嘅。
This is what I meant clear. Not just clear, it has the cognitive aspect. That's aware of.
唔單止係明，而且佢仲有一個覺 aware 覺嗰個部分，
Awareness.
即係覺
Aware.
知。
Yes, we are aware. What's happening? Awareness. This is the mind, right? Then I'll call, that's the basic mind. But mind manifests. This is like a ground, right? Basic mechanism, the mind. There. Then mind manifests in different way.
頭先講明而覺咧，就係個心個基本個狀態嚟嘅，但係佢會呈現喺唔同嘅形態、唔同嘅經驗、唔同嘅體會度嗰方面，佢係呈現嘅啫。
In different way. Like conceptual mind and non-conceptual mind.
包括我哋嘅分別心或者非分別心啦。
Some mind non-conceptual, like eye consciousness, right? When you seeing is non-conceptual.
譬如我哋嗰個呢個眼睛嗰個睇到啦。咁如果當我眼睛一見到嗰樣嘢，即係眼睛一收入嚟見到嗰個刻咧，就係冇分別心嘅。
Because you can think, right? Already non-conceptual and conceptual mind, non-conceptual, right? Then we should not think mind is only this rational thinking, right? That's not only mind. That is like 100%, right? 99% is not conceptual mind.
Okay.
1%, right? Even that 1% you divide it. Then 25%, only very little
OK。
conceptual mind.
如果我哋講我哋成個心喺100% 裏邊抽1%，即係我哋嗰個理性思維啊，只係屬於嗰1%，唔單止咁少，仲要喺嗰個%裏邊嘅25%先至係屬於我哋嘅理性邏輯思維。咁你可以見到我哋嘅心邏輯理性思維，只不過好細嘅部分嘅啫。
This is what they describe like you can think like huge oceans, then some small waves thing, right? Waves is tiny of the ocean. Conceptual mind is like tiny waves of the ocean.
就正如一個海洋咁龐大啦，我哋嘅邏輯理性思維咧，只係一個少少啲浪花嚟嘅啫。
Then only for us, we only use this conceptual mind.
但係我哋咧就係用呢個少少嘅浪花，搞到好唔掂啦。
Okay. Then conceptual mind and the non-conceptual mind, right? This non-conceptual mind is like a bigger side.
而其實嗰個無分別心咧係非常之大嘅部分嘅喺我哋嘅心。
If you look at like what looks like non-conceptual mind, like you're seeing. From I was seeing like seeing, it's called direct perception. Seeing, right? Direct perception.
例如我哋嘅眼色，你個眼睛一見到嗰一下就係最直接嘅，你接收到。
Seeing, hearing,
聽到
smelling, tasting,
聞到
touching, they call 5 direct perceptions.
呢個五入個五出邊嘅5個境裏面5入直接嘅。
They call seeing, right? You see? Seeing? We always say, wow, what a wonderful book. Actually, eye consciousness cannot see, wonderful. Just see.
譬如揸住本書，個眼色一見到咧，個眼色係唔會話哇呢本書好正啊咁。一見到個眼色係唔會話俾你聽呢本書好正。
For example, I used to play young. What do you see?
大家見到乜嘢
What do you see? What do you see?
大家見到乜嘢
Five finger.
見到乜嘢大家
B, peace. What do you see? Right? Victory. I'm not asking you what do you think.
我唔係問你諗乜嘢喎，我問你見到乜嘢喎。
I'm not asking you what do you see.
我
Right?
問
I don't ask you
你
what
見到
do
乜
you
嘢
think.
喎。
I can see part of Lama's body.
Lama's body? Part of Lama's body? Okay. You don't see everything? Obviously we see a lot, right? Actually, what do you see? You cannot describe.
其實頭先啱啱問你見到乜嘢，你形容你係唔形容
You
得到
see
嘅。
a totality of here, right? But you cannot describe. When you describe, it's limited because conceptual mind.
因
When
為
you
你
describe, you bring into conceptual mind, right? It's not completed.
你見到
Actually,
嘅係整
seeing,
體，
you see totality.
見到嘅係一個整體嘅見到。而之所以你淨係集中睇嗰樣嘢，你已經用緊你嘅心去作出呢個定義啦，收窄咗佢。
Let's see, okay, I see victory, right?
見到
Which is not there, and you see. Also five finger, right? Which is not there, and you think. Then think like direct perception. Can the direct perception see the numbers? How many fingers do you see? Do you see 4 or 5?
幾多隻手指
What
嗰度？
about how many fingers do you see? Okay. Eye consciousness can see the number. Then why do you say 4, 5, 8, 9? Why do you allow them? Right? So number is not a reality. Number is you projected. You
所
cannot see number.
頭先問你幾多隻手指，個數目都已經係你諗出嚟㗎啦。你見到個眼色係講唔到4呢個字嘅。
Right? You cannot see the number. Number is conceptual mind.
所以
Projection.
數目係分別心
Yes.
嘅結果。
So like a seeing, you cannot see the number. You see how many? You always using our thinking mind. This is why I say, what do you think and you see? Right? You see thinking mind. Actually, as I mentioned, the thinking mind is like what do you call this? 100%, or 1%, and minus mind, a little bit like drop of an ocean. Then we limit it in that conceptual mind, right? Yes.
大家頭先嗰個練習睇得到咧，我哋一路就係箍咗喺我哋嗰個分別心嗰度，又話4啊，又話和平啊，又乜嘢乜嘢。咁頭先啱啱話，原來我哋不嬲用得佢好行嗰個分別心咧，只不過一個無限嘅海洋裏邊嘅一個小小嘅浪花啫。但係我哋就箍死咗喺嗰度。
Then again, non-conceptual mind called direct perception, such as a seeing, hearing, right? Seeing, it's already free from conception.
所以我哋本身具足嗰個眼色已經係冇分別㗎啦。
So therefore, seeing is powerful, hearing is powerful too.
因此，我哋嘅眼色、耳色見到、聽到係非常之大嘅力量嘅，因為佢冇分別。
Then they're called the 5 sense direct perceptions. Then you can go. Then mental direct. Then also self-aware and yogi, right? Then that's a huge field.
因此，除咗我哋嘅五個呢個五官之外咧，仲有一啲心識裏邊，我哋可以感受，可以知道明而覺知道嘅東西咧，係非常之咁龐大嘅。
Okay, I don't want to go.
呢個係心理學裏邊嘅對心嘅分析嚟㗎。
I have to change the gear, otherwise I will never come back.
我暫時唔行去心理學先，我行翻出嚟先。
Okay, mind you can say conceptual mind or non-conceptual or direct or indirect.
咁所以心我哋可以分接為有分別心同埋冇分別心，同埋直接或者間接嘅。
Then from the Buddhist point of view, like a size, right, of direct or indirect, conceptual or non-conceptual. Non-conceptual or direct is bigger.
而我哋喺佛法裏邊，我哋知道咧，呢個直接同埋無分別心咧，係嗰個比例咧，比起間接同埋有分別咧，前者係大好多好多嘅。
Then also another way they classified mind, they call primary mind and mental factors or mental events.
咁將心咧俾個名詞就係一個最基本嘅心同埋心所嘅心所做出嚟嘅事情，心所。
Or almost it's like my translation like passive mind and active mind.
一個被動嘅同埋主動嘅。
Passive mind is very limited in numbers, but active, the mental factor, many. It can grow. Okay? It can grow. Like this, the scientist says also, neuroscience says, brain cell, right? Or the neuron, right? Can grow.
被動嘅係好少量嘅，好限制嘅，但係主動嘅咧可以不斷咁樣增生嘅。例如我哋嘅腦神經元係可以根據科學家咧係不斷咁樣去增長嘅。
Can grow, right? Now the neuroscience says our neuron can grow, and you can actually produce, not grow, you can produce healthy neurons. But same thing in Buddhism, through meditation, we can grow positive mental factors.
所以我哋係可以透過禪修等等嘅練習，令到我哋增長啲健康嘅神經元嘅連結，亦都係令到我哋嗰個主動嗰個心咧係擴大，令到我哋嘅心所咧會做出一啲健康嘅有作用嘅一啲思維嘅方法。
Then 51 mental factors, right?
有51個心所。
Then primary mind, they got 8 consciousness theory, primary mind. Passive mind, they have 8 degree.
係，而呢個被動嘅係有8個層次嘅被動嘅心。
Then active mind of mental factors, that now they said there's like 51.
主動嘅係有51個層次嘅。
Yes, there you can go. Interesting.
非常之有趣嘅一個對心嘅一個分析。
And then also another, I think that's enough. Maybe I shouldn't go that direction.
夠啦。
Anyway, this mind stuff is not that simple, okay? So I hope, in future, you can study. As a Mingyur Rinpoche mentioned, he's interested to study things, it will happen. Yes.
會發生㗎。
Anyway, this mind thing is interesting. So Naropa, I can tell you, Naropa, what do you call, favorite class topic, Naropa, is the mind. We call mind and it is a world. The class called mind and its world.
喺呢個美國大學喇嘛任教個學校有一科叫做 Mind and its world， 係心理學裏邊嘅一個課程，但係用意思譯佢就係心及它本身的世界。
Actually, Naropa is a very small university. And the students are always a low enrollment class. But mine is class is always packed. Always over. Not only Buddhist students, right? Psychology, art, and everybody loves that class.
咁喺美國個喇嘛巴大學咧，就呢一個課程啊係非常之受歡迎嘅。雖然係間少少嘅大學，但係呢一科通常都爆嘅，唔係淨係學佛嘅學生啦，所有心理學家啊都好想嚟聽呢一個課程㗎。
Okay, and then yeah, we can study in English.
Yeah.
Good. Okay. Now we do dedication.
好，我哋一齊回向。
Then we should sing dedication song like a dream.
再唱翻琴日嗰首《Like a Dream》嗰首歌作為回向啊。
Like a dream, like a illusion, like a city of Gandhara. That's our birth, and that's our living, that's how dying are taught to be. Like a dream, like a illusion, like a city of Gandhara. That's our birth, and that's our living, that's how dying are taught to be. Like a dream, like a illusion, like a city of Gandhara. That's our birth, and that's our living, that's how dying are taught to be. Thank you.